my question to you this time is not difficult at all. It is, how fast can you double up 126? Only thing is that I'm giving you 3 seconds and your time starts now. Your time is up. The correct answer is 252. Okay, so now let me show you the faster way of doubling any number, that is finding the 2 times of any number. The trick to double up any number very easily, and that too mentally, is to think of this number in your mind and take the first 2 digits of it, isn't it? Now finding the 2 times of 126 might be difficult, but finding the 2 times of 12 is not, isn't it? So 12 2 times is 24. But before you put down 24 here, look at the number that is there. If this number is 4 or less, then copy 24 as it is. But if it is more than 4, then add 1 before you put down 24 here. So it would be 25. Now one more digit to go. Here just copy the units digit that you are going to get on doubling up 6. You know that double of 6 is 12 and the units digit would be 2. So 252. Or there is a second approach to doing this. You take 126 as 120 plus 6, isn't it? Now you can easily double up 120. The answer would be 240, and double of 6 would be 12, and 240 plus 12 would be 242, 252. Again using the jumping 10 trick of addition. So the answer is 252 once again. Now whichever way you do it, the idea is to do it fast and to do it mentally. Now let me tell you that many EasyCal tricks that you are going to learn from here on will require the ability to double up numbers or half the numbers very fast, and that too mentally. You need to double up or half numbers while doing base multiplication around 50 or 20 or 200, so on and so forth. In finding percentages like 12%, 22%, 28%, 98%, so on and so forth, you will be requiring this ability to double up or half the numbers, even while squaring the numbers, and most importantly for cubing the numbers you need to have this ability. So in short, doubling the number should be a reflex action for you. That means automatically the correct answer should pop up in your mind, isn't it? You should not be thinking about it. Once again, quickly find the double of 39. So again using the same technique, this is a 2-digit number, so take the first digit and double it up. So double of 3 would be 6, but before you put down 6, have a glance at the next number. If it is 4 or less, then copy 6 as it is. Here it is not, so add 1 to it. And double of 9 is 18, and I'll just copy the units digit. So the answer is 78. Or you can use the other trick as well. You take this 39 as 40 minus 1, isn't it? Now double of 40 is 80 and double of 1 is 2. So 80 minus 2 is once again 78. Whichever way you do it, the idea is to get the answer quickly and correctly and mentally. Okay, so now let's see how quickly you can find the double of all these numbers. Okay, so double of 66 would be 13 2, that is 132. How? Double of 6 is 12, but before I put down 12 here, I'll have a glance at the next digit. It is more than 4, so I'll add 1 to 12, that is 13, and I'll copy the units digit of the double of this number, isn't it? So 13, and this is 12, and the units digit of 12 is 2, so 132. Or you can do it like this, that take it as 60 plus 6. So double of 60 is 120 and double of 6 is 12. So 120 plus 12 is 132. Next one, double up this. So double of the first 2 digits would be 48, isn't it? And I'll have a glance at the next number. It is less than 4, so I'll put 48 here, and this will be 4, double of 2. Or you can do it like that, take it as 240 plus 2. So double of 240 is 480, isn't it? Plus double of this 2, that is 4. So 480 plus 4 is 484. Now what is 2 times 396? So again, double of 39 is 78. How do I know that? Because take it as 40, isn't it? So double of 40 is 80, and every time we have added one more, so 80 minus 2 is 78, isn't it? And before I put down 78, I'll have a look at the next digit. It is more than 4, so I'll write 79 and copy the units digit of the number that I get on doubling 6, that is 2. Or you could use the second trick. Take this thing as 400 because it's very close to it. So double of 400 is 800. But every time you have added 4 more. So subtract 8 from 800. It would be 792. Now double up 723. So once again take the first two digits. Double of 72 is 144, and I have a glance at the next digit. It is less than 4, so I copy 144 here, and double of 3 is 6, so I put 6 here. That's my answer. Or you can take it like that, take it as 700 plus 23. So double of 700 would be 1400, and double of 23 is 46, so it will be 1446, and that is what the answer is here.